everyone, this is Connie J. Pack, and in this video, I wanted to talk to you about client retention. Client retention for my business has been so important with everything going on with the pandemic, all the investment that you put in to acquire that one customer, having them stay with you long term has really been a huge benefit in helping my business grow and scale to the next level. So what I wanted to share with you is my secret to how to have the best client retention. And I will proudly say I had 100% client retention rate throughout all of the pandemic. And the reason for that is over communication, not even just normal communication, it's over communication. And the reason why that has been helpful is that no matter what I do and no matter what is happening, good or bad, I let them know. I let them know that I looked at their account, maybe saw that there's been a dip with all the iOS update. I notify them on good months. Obviously, these are fun and easy to notify, but good months when you're getting 3, 4, 5x our return on ad spend, I notify them. Those are fun to notify. So when you over communicate, you're building trust. They're hearing from you. They see that you're doing something. They see that you care. They see that you are thinking about them. So many benefits that come from over communication. Now, what's the opposite of over communication? Silent. When they don't hear from you for a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. So what do you think goes on in their head? Doubt, uncertainty, worried, like all these things just start to come up in their head. Like, are they doing anything? Like, how's my account doing? What's going on? All these questions start to come up. And so imagine before they even had a question, like, I wonder how my account's doing. The day before you had already given an update. And lately you can give updates in 2 minutes using a Loom video. I don't even do a 30-minute phone call anymore. I just say, I'm going to do a quick Loom video and give you an update on the progress of our campaign. It doesn't even take that much time, but it just takes a little effort and a little intentionality to say, hey, I'm going to let them know that I just did this, because they don't know what you've done in the back end unless you let them know. So I hope this is helpful. If you have a service-based business, even a product-based business, over communicating is always better than silence. I hope this helps. And if you enjoyed this video, I hope you check out some of our other videos. And thanks for watching. I hope to see you on the next video.